Hello, this is part 2 of the horizontal sharding with the 6.1 investigation. So we have here an MR that I created that where some things work. So namely, we have this namespace shard abstract class, and I've converted a few models to use this abstract class so that we can connect to multiple databases. Namely namespace, and then member, because groups have members, and also routes. So, and what that achieves is that if we have a group that's already created in the shard, conveniently migrations create a lost and found group. We can show the group. So this lost and found shard only exists. So this lost and found group only exists on the shard 1. It doesn't exist in the default. So we can load the page, but this one does an additional request, and that probably runs in the context of the main database, so that's probably wrong. We can also create, so show the form for a new subgroup, and we create a new subgroup. Say sharded subgroup, and this will create a new subgroup inside the shard, and the way to verify that is really using deep console. So if you switch to the shard1 database and select star from these spaces, you can see the new shadow group has been created in the shard1. Unfortunately, if we refresh the page and we show logs, it doesn't really show which shard any query has been loaded on. So that could be a huge improvement to the core arrays if we can do it. So let's briefly talk about how I implemented this. So a lot of it we can sort of push it down to this abstract class and have different helper methods to connect to the right row and shard, and then we can just do whatever we want inside the view block. And I think a lot of that we can accomplish through around actions. So we can say shard, and then given the group should tell us what shard it is, and we will have to implement kind of lookup tables for all the different ways of doing it. The ID of a group, for example, or the path of a group, or the ID of a project, and so on down the list. And is there anything else that's important? I don't think so. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So one last thing is I had to kind of configure this to false legacy connection handling. My sense that I think it's safe to do that because unless we actually directly use the internal connection handler Rails API, we should be safe to set this to false. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.